Imagine transforming your client interactions with just a few clicks. The engagement feature in BoldTrail's Vitals dashboard can revolutionize your business. By understanding engagement statistics, you can unlock new opportunities and connect more effectively with your clients. Explore the Vitals dashboard to track calls, texts, and emails effortlessly. Identify eligible contacts quickly, ensuring you focus on those ready to engage. Accessing vital engagement data has never been simpler, empowering you to make informed decisions. See how easy it is to pinpoint contacts with valid phone numbers, opted-in texting, and provided emails. This clarity allows you to prioritize communication and maximize your outreach efforts efficiently. Use engagement data to prioritize client communication and implement strategies to boost interaction. By taking informed actions, watch your real estate business thrive. Start leveraging these insights today to elevate your success.